The History Commission Roadside Marker Program was started in 1998 by History Commissioner Jack Hiller, and he actually designed the marker that was the color of blue and gold, which is the same color as the Fairfax Militia uniform of George Washington, and has the Fairfax County seal on it. The purpose is to increase people's awareness of Fairfax County history, and they're placed all over the county along the roadside so people can see them. A lot of people ask us, well, are these state markers? Well, the big difference is that ours are blue and gold and the state are silver. So you'll know which ones are actually the Fairfax County History Commission. And as part of us celebrating the county's 275th anniversary, we're making a hard copy map of these markers with the text and the location of them so that people can put it in their car, drive around and look at all these markers, hopefully, and learn more about Fairfax County. The majority of markers cover historic events of Fairfax County, a lot of Civil War events. It also talks about railroading through our community and historic homes like Salona. If a citizen would like to sponsor a marker, first they need to go to the Fairfax County History Commission website, and there's instructions there on how to do the research, which we encourage the citizen to do, and it has to be 50 years or older to be included, and has importance to Fairfax County. And then once they have it, it is brought to the History Commission committee, the marker committee, who goes over it and asks about their documentation, etc. The hardest part is it's limited to 100 words, and that's because the size of the marker. Then it would be approved by the History Commission, and funding either comes half from the citizen and the History Commission, or the citizen can fund it all themselves.